Hello everyone. Today I will be making a delicious mashed potatoes, homemade mashed potatoes. So here I have the ready boiled potatoes. So before, you will get some yellow Idaho potatoes. Peel them, make sure there's no skin left. Then chop them up. Then put the potatoes in a pot and boil them for a little. Then you can add some garlic powder if you would like to give it a nice garlicky taste, or you can also add some milk to make it nice. So now I'm mixing it in this humongous pot. So let's hope it will be good. And as you can see, it's getting kind of creamy now. So, almost ready. So now I'm done mixing it. It has a nice creamy look. And make sure there's no more big chunks in it. And now for the milk, you will add about a cup of milk depending on how creamy your mashed potatoes are. So I'm going to add a cup. Alrighty. And don't forget about the garlic powder. So I'm going to add in the milk. And a hint of garlic. Alrighty. Add the rest of this milk. And now we're ready to get back to cooking. Well, mixing.